As the air turns crisp and a festive spirit begins to twinkle throughout the five boroughs, New York City transforms into an unparalleled winter wonderland. The city lights, already iconic, receive a dazzling upgrade, creating a magical backdrop for holiday memories. If you are wondering how to find the most enchanting displays, prepare to be captivated by the city's radiant charm. The absolute best Christmas light displays in New York City can be found at several iconic locations, including Rockefeller Center, the Dyker Heights neighborhood in Brooklyn, and along the window displays of Fifth Avenue department stores. Each offers a distinct and unforgettable experience of holiday brilliance. These locations shine brightest for good reason. Rockefeller Center boasts the most famous Christmas tree in the world, adorned with thousands of energy-efficient LED lights and topped with a brilliant Swarovski crystal star, drawing millions annually for its sheer grandeur and tradition. Dyker Heights, on the other hand, showcases an incredible community effort, where homeowners deck their houses with outrageously elaborate, often professional, decorations including life-sized Santas, snowmen, and animated displays. Meanwhile, Fifth Avenue's luxury department stores like Saks Fifth Avenue and Macy's transform their windows into intricate, storytelling art installations, setting trends for holiday retail displays worldwide and captivating passersby with their creativity and craftsmanship. To best experience these dazzling lights, plan your visit strategically. For Rockefeller Center, consider going late in the evening or early morning to avoid the densest crowds, though the atmosphere during peak hours is undeniably electric. The tree is usually lit from early December through early January. For Dyker Heights, it is easiest to reach by bus or car, as it is a residential area in southwest Brooklyn. Walking tours are also popular. The lights are typically up from mid-December to New Year's Eve, with the most elaborate displays often found between 11th and 13th Avenues, from 83rd to 86th Street. For the department store windows, a leisurely stroll along Fifth Avenue provides ample viewing opportunities, perhaps combined with some holiday shopping. Beyond these main attractions, keep an eye out for charming smaller displays that add to the city's festive tapestry. Consider visiting the Winter Village at Bryant Park for its tree and market, or the luminous display at Brookfield Place in Battery Park City, known for its stunning light installation called luminaries. These spots often offer a slightly less crowded, yet equally beautiful, experience. Also, don't miss the enormous evergreen tree at Washington Square Park, lit underneath its famous arch, offering a more classic and intimate New York holiday feeling. Ultimately, experiencing New York's Christmas lights is about more than just seeing decorations. It is about soaking in the unique blend of urban energy, timeless tradition, and heartfelt community spirit that defines the city during the holidays. From the world-famous tree to neighborhood spectacles, these lights invite you to create cherished memories and feel the true magic of the season, making your visit truly special and bright.